Everything is fine now, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. Okay, good. So what will happen now, guys? So this one, okay. So from the consumer, right? So from the provider, what will happen now? The provider will make the response, right? The provider will make the response, right? Using what? Using what? HTTP method, right? Using what is that? HTTP protocol, right? Response, right? And that response will come to what? Our application, means what? Our integration layer, right? Our what? Integration layer. After then what will happen now? If the based on that, what will happen now? If we want to convert, what is that? Use the services to what? This provider, then what we will write, the in the service layer only we will write the logic, right? We will write the logic, and our application will convert that data, that JSON data or XML data in what? In our what? PHP format, right? So this is the what working functionality and where we will use, and here only, here and here, right? We will use what? Here and here. What we will use now, guys? Here and what? Here we will use what? Our web services, right? Web services. Web services. What the web services responsibility to taking the JSON data? And here what will happen now? Again, this layer will take the JSON data and it will convert to our what? Object format, because Java is understanding object, right? Object format. Again, what will happen now? Again, from the Java object to converting what is that? In the JSON or like XML data, right? Integration layer responsibility is what? Again, this one will convert, this integration layer will convert in the data in the JSON and XML format. And what will happen now? Again, it will give the to response to whom? What? Our provider, consumer application, and consumer application will receive the JSON and XML data. And after taking the JSON and XML data, it will convert, what is that? It will convert the data in the PHP format, right? PHP syntax understandable format, that data, right? So like this conversation and exchanging, data exchanging between two application, one application to another application will happen using what? RESTful, using what? Web services. Just I'm talking about what? Web services now. Okay, guys. So web services and RESTful services both are the same only, but much difference is there. Okay, so web services we are saying that totally XML data only, right? Soap, and what is that? Soap web services, we are saying that those, what is the web services? Here rest using rest also we are doing the same things only, but the terminology is little bit different now. Okay, so now till now everyone having the clear picture, whatever explanation I given to you people now, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Clear, right?
Yes,
Very clear.
Okay, good. Okay, guys. So okay, so just think about that. I said that how many how many data component is there? Global data is there, right? JSON and what? XML. Nah, come on, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Two type of what? Global data is there, right? So if what is that? If we convert, right? Just think about that. What is that? So if we want, if we convert our Java object into what? If we convert, just think about that. If we convert our Java object in a XML format, just think about that. This is the Java object, right? Java object. Okay. So just I'm writing object only, guys. Okay. Just I'm writing what? Object. This is the basic, guys. Okay, basic. If basic is strong, if basic is strong, right, then we can build what? Application. Then we can able to build our application, right? So first understand the theory, guys. Okay, first understand the theory. All theory only we will implement as a practical, guys. Okay, whatever my theory is there, I will make that one only practical, okay? And please, but focus on what? The theory part, okay? Focus on theory part. Much theory is not there in my session. What? More programming is only there, but before starting programming, right? First we have understand what? First we have understand what? Please switch off your camera. Somebody is on now. So okay, so first then we have after moving that, what is that in the practical area, first we have need to understand what is that theory part, guys, okay? Then we can move on what? Then we can move on what? In the area of what? Practical, right? So okay, so just think about that. This is the Java object, right? If we converting, whenever we are convert, right, whenever our application will convert this what? Java application in what? Just what I'm writing, what? Open bracket, open and close bracket, right? So this one, right, and just I'm giving what? XML syntax, right? So like this only, right? Open and close bracket, right? So in that just think about that. Our application, if we convert this object into what? XML, if we convert this object in what? XML format, then what will happen now? Then XML, then internally our what? Our what? Web services will use what? Our web services will use what? If conversation, just point, think about that what I'm saying now, guys, okay? What I'm saying, just point out my what? Wording, point out what? My wording now, okay? So here what? If we convert our object into what? XML format, right? XML format, that conversation is called what? Marshalling. That conversation is called what, guys? Marshalling. Okay, what is this? 1 minute, guys. My keyboard is not working properly. Something is, I'm writing something and the keyboard is writing something now. Okay. That is called what? If conversation will happen, what is that? If conversation, our Java object, if we want to convert our Java object into what? XML format, that is called what, guys? XML format, not a JSON, guys. XML format. If we want to convert our Java object in what? XML format, that is nothing but what? Marshalling. Come on. Anyone heard about marshalling and unmarshalling in SOAP web services now, guys?
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, after the XML data, if we want to convert what? XML data in what? Again object format. Again object format. Then what we will do now? What kind of methodology we are saying now, guys? Unmarshalling. Unmarshalling, right? If we want to convert what? Our Java object into what? Into our Java object in XML format, that is called what? Marshalling. If XML format data, if we want to convert in again object format, that is called what? Unmarshalling now, guys. Okay. So same things, guys. Okay. So for that, if we want to convert our Java object into XML and XML into, so for that we have need to use what? One API, which one is given by whom? Our Java is nothing but Sun Micro is currently Oracle people, right? Currently our Oracle is there, right? In the last, what is that? Previously Sun, our Java owner is what? Sun people are there, right? Now currently is what? Oracle, right? So those people is given what? One API. One API. That API is nothing but what? Jaxb. Jaxb, right? Jaxb. That API is nothing but what? Jaxb. Okay. Means what is that? Java architecture. Architecture, ARCHITECH, right? TECHURE, correct, right? For XML binding. for XML binding. Full form of what? Full form of what? JAXB. JAXB is what? Java architecture for XML binding. We will use it. I will show each and everything, guys. Okay. Who don't know web services, RESTful services, right? Don't bother about. I will touch what is that? How I'm touching what? Hibernating data JPA, right? Like that, I will use what is I will touch here in Spring Boot web services also, guys. Okay. Don't think about that. I don't know RESTful services. Leave it. I will cover RESTful services API also here only, right? RESTful services in what? Spring Boot REST only. Everything I will touch. Okay. So now what is that? JAXB means what? Java architecture for what? XML binding. This is the API, guys. Okay. Based on this API, we can what is that? We can convert what? We can convert our Java object into XML format and XML data in what? Java object, right? And that Java, whenever we will convert what? Our Java object into XML format, that terminology is what? Marshalling. If again we are converting what? Our XML data in what? Object format, that is called what? Unmarshalling. Now clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, good. So okay, so this using this API only we can able to what? Convert what, guys? XML data, right? But XML data, but one more global data is there. Which one now, guys? Come on.
Jason.
JSON. Yeah.
JSON data.
Yeah, so to converting JSON data, right? To converting our object in JSON format. So for that we will use what? Different API, guys. That is the what? Jackson API. Based on that Jackson API, what we can say now? What we can do now? Jackson API, right? Using what
JSON
is
data converter.
using Jackson API, what we can do now? We can able to do what? We can able to do what?
Convert
Object.
JSON data into object.
We can convert our object data in a JSON format and what? JSON data in what? In our what? Our object format now, guys. Okay, good. So now, okay, again, I will ask one question, guys. Please focus on this area, right? So here what? Just think about that. This is our what? This is our object, right? This is our what? Object. Okay. This is our what? Object, right? Okay. So after, if we want to convert this object in what? JSON data, right? JSON data, right? So what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? Here we know that the JSON object, how our open bracket, curly bracket and close curly bracket. Inside that, what will happen now? The data will store in the key and value format, right? Our JSON data will become what is that? Key and what is that? Our object will become in the JSON data what? Key and value, right? Key and what is that? Value format, right? Like this.
Yes.
In the open bracket and a close bracket. One object equal to one open bracket and a one close bracket, right? Inside that, whatever data is there, those data will become what is that? What will become now, guys? What will become in the key and the value format, right? So okay, so one more thing, guys, just think about that. Here what is that? This conversation, no, I will not give this that scenario. Okay, just okay. So okay, if we want to convert using what is that Jackson API into what is that? This object into what? This object into what? JSON data. Then this conversation, what we can say now, guys? Anyone can tell?
Jackson.
Here just see, here marshalling and
Marshalling.
Object to JSON conversion.
if our object, if we want to convert our object into what is that JSON format data, then this conversion, what we can say now, guys? Come on,
Marshalling.
everyone give the response, guys.
Marshalling. Object to JSON. It's marshalling.
No, guys.
Marshalling.
Okay. No. Whenever we are converting, what is that our object into JSON format? That terminology we are saying what serializable. Okay, serialized. We are serializing the object in the JSON data, right? JSON data. Here, marshalling and unmarshalling comes under what is that only XML data, right? If conversation is happening in the XML, then we can say that what marshalling and unmarshalling. If we are converting our object into what? Our object into what? JSON data, that is called what? Serializable. Then we can say that what? Serialize. Okay, serialize. Okay, the same things, guys. Okay, so if we want to convert what? If we want to convert what? This JSON data to again in the object format, again in the object format, then what we can say now, guys? Come on, now the people can say, right? What we can say now, guys? Sorry?
Deserialize.
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 Yes,
Deserialize.
deserialize, right? This is nothing but what? Deserialization, guys. Okay, now clear picture, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we proceed the next level discussion now? Are you ready, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Already.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Okay, guys. So let's understand. Okay, so this is the just we understand what XML data and what JSON data. But here we are making the request and the response also. We have need to understand the request and the response also now, guys. Come on, because too much role is there related to request and the response in what? Web services. Web services. In the web services, too much what roles are there, guys. So are you ready to understand request and the response also, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Yes.
Guys, I'm preparing your what? Base. Please focus on this area, guys. Okay. So whatever I'm taking the steps, my steps is good only, right, guys? Everyone catching our steps, na? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Ravi. Yes, sir, Ravi.
Yeah, easily.
Yes,
Everyone is catching, right?
yes, sir, we are
Yes,
ready.
yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
let's
teacher.
understand, guys. Okay, let's move on to next level discussion. Shall I proceed the next level discussion now? Come on.
Yes, yes, sir,
Yes.
Ravi. Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes,
So
Ravi.
okay, guys. So let's understand what request methodology, right? Request. Okay. So whenever we will make the request, right? HTTP request. Okay. So whenever we will make the request means what? Just think about that this application. This application is making the request to whom? Who is the accepting the request now, guys? Who is accepting? Means just think about that this application is making the request, but this application is accepting the request or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Come
Yes.
on.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this
sir.
application means what? We are making the request, right? We are making the request, na? Request. We are making the request, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so whenever we will make the request, okay, so this is nothing but what we are saying that HTTP protocol, based on the protocol only we are making the request now. So we can say that what? HTTP request, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
sir.
Okay, good. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will see the next level discussion now, guys. Okay, so here, okay, so whenever we will make the request, okay, so request having two part, guys. Okay, HTTP request having how many part now, guys? Two part. Okay. HTTP request having how many part now? Two part now. Come on, everyone. First one is
Yes.
yes. How many part? Head part and what?
Header.
Body part, guys. Okay. Head
Two
part and
parts.
what? Head part and what? Body
Head
part.
and body.
Head and what? Body. Okay, good. So in the header part, right? Header part. Okay. So in header part, what will happen now, guys? header parameters, and what is the inside what data is there, right? Inside that what data will be there, right? In the body section, what will happen now? Which kind of data we are sending? Just think about that. We want to send the XML data
or
or
JSON
JSON
data.
data, right? XML data or
JSON
XML data
data.
or JSON data, right? If
JSON
we want to send the
data.
XML data or JSON data, those data will be there in the HTTP request, right? In the HTTP request body part, right? This is the data area, guys. Okay, inside that, what will happen now? If we want to send the HTML data, right? HTML data or what? XML data or what? XML data or what? JSON data, right? JSON data, right? Those data will store inside that what? Body part, right? And here in the header parameter, what will happen now, guys? In the header section, in the head section, what will happen now? Header parameter,
Method and
header params, right? Header params information is nothing but what? Metadata will be there, guys. Okay, metadata will be there, as well as what? One more line will be there, guys. Okay, today learn one more line. Okay, here one more line, initial line. Okay, initial line. In the initial line, what will happen now, guys? In the initial line, what will happen now? Just in line. Okay, in line. Okay, initial line in just in line. Okay, and just I'm writing, this is the initial line. Okay, guys, so in the initial line, how many things will be there? Method will be there now, guys. Method means what? Which kind of request we are making?
protocol.
Which kind of what request we are making? Get, post, put, delete. Which kind of request we are making? Those methodology will be there, guys. Okay, so means what is that? Method will be there. Another one is what? URL. Based on
Path.
the URL only we are making the request now. Come on, everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
And what is that?
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Version number, right? Which version we are using that request for the making the request? What is the version of what is that HTTP methodology, right? Those information will be there in one initial line. Okay, so okay, good, guys. So okay, so we know that. Okay, so in the head section, right? How many okay, let's understand. Okay, how many HTTP methodology will be there? How many we can make the request now, guys? So those methodology also there is there, right? In the HTTP methodology, those methodology also there. Based on that methodology, we are able to make the request to our what? Provider na. Come on, everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
So okay, so those just I'm what is that listing out, guys? Okay, just I'm listing out that what is that get methodology is there. What is
Get,
that?
post,
Post is there. After then put is
Put.
there, right? Put is there. Another one is what? Delete is there, right?
delete, option,
Delete is there, right? After then what? Patch is there, right? Patch is there. Another one is what? Header is there, right? Head is there, right? Head is there, and after
option
then
is
what?
there.
Trace is there, right? Another one is what? Trace in the what is that? Option. Option is there. After then what is that? Continue. Connect is there, right? Connect. These what is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 methodology are there, right? To make the request to what? Our server, right? Come on, everyone. These methodology is there or not?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But in the real time, guys, okay, in the real time, these methodology only useful. Okay, these methodology we are using get, post, put, delete, patch. Okay, yeah, this one 2 to 4 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 methodology only we are using. These things, our what is that? Our server only internally used, and in our application I will use this methodology also. Okay, this methodology only I will use it, and these things will use what? Internally our application will use. Okay, okay, so don't much think about this methodology. This methodology I will explain in the session now. Okay, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
Ravi. Yes.
Okay, so good guys. So same like okay. So same like guys. Okay. So this is the what is that? This part means this much data will be there in the request only, right? Request. What is that? HTTP request object, guys. Okay. HTTP in the HTTP request. What is that? These information will be there, right? So same like okay. But one more person is there now. Who's that person now, guys? Come on. Who's that person now, guys? Response also, right? This is the request. Just be seen that what is that, what is the structure of what is the internal structure of what request now and where the data will store in which part and which part, what is that request methodology will be there, and what is the inline, right? Same like response also is there now. Come on everyone, you want to what know that how many things
Yes.
is there in the response also? Come on.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so let's understand. Okay, let's understand our response only, guys. Okay, don't worry. Now we are reaching our practical part, guys. Okay, because these basic things, whatever basic things I have need to explain one application, right? I am near about I am about to complete the theory part, guys. Okay, don't worry about that. I think the boring part this is, right. Come on.
No,
This
Ravi,
thing,
not.
No, Ravi. It's just boring.
no, not boring, right?
Yeah, not boring.
Not.
Okay.
If we know these things, then we can implement in practicals.
Yes. So guys, just only one thing. Okay, if the actually I don't know, some who don't have much knowledge, right? That person, if the person will take the interview, I'm not talking about those people, right? If the really whoever having the knowledge related to what subject, if you people will give the interview, like if you people will tell what is that, this is the body part, header part, in that this kind of information is there, right? So in your explanation, if the person will find right these things, this terminology, right, that person definitely will select you guys. Okay, because that person know that okay, he's having what good knowledge about that what this area. Okay, so don't underestimate this subject, guys. Okay, I know that because one psychology is there behind our what, not everyone, guys. Okay, uh, uh, to learn the concept, right, we are already lazy. And one more thing, if the person, whenever we are paying something, right, then the what, this faculty is good and this teacher is good, and we will learn from them. Okay, if we deliver right as a free of cost to anyone, right, so that person will not respect those things. Okay, that little bit what psychology is there, right, behind what in our mindset psychology is there. I'm not blaming the people, I'm blaming what, the psychology, whatever our psychology working behind our what mindset. Okay, so just only one thing is there, guys. Okay, so no need to pay anywhere in any institution. If really if you are the curious about what our career, then my framework knowledge is too much sufficient, not sufficient, too much sufficient to work in industry, guys. Okay, to work in industry, some your analysis also required, guys. Just okay, by teaching, if I'm teaching to you people, just you people are listening, if you people are not using your brain, then also my subject are na, who is the villain telling I am a god of what Java, their subject also will not work, right? Their subject also will not work. Some your analysis also need, guys. Okay, so learn the things, whatever necessary things is there. Unnecessary things will come by default. Unnecessary things will come by default only. User, please change your name. Okay, I'm getting so much response from you. Yes, in the chat box, methodology and all those things. But you kept your name user. If you take your name and what is it? Whatever your name is there, right? Proper name, then respectfully I will tell your name, right? Respectfully I will tell. Oh, Vijay. Okay, Vijay. Change your name. Okay. So good, guys. So okay, let's understand what is that HTTP response, right? Let's understand what HTTP response now, guys. Oh, okay, good. So okay, so here what is that? So now see this. Okay, so here okay, so HTTP response having two part also, right? HTTP response also having two part. How many part now, guys? Come on. Two part, okay?
Two part.
Two part.
Two
Yeah.
parts.
Okay, so two parts. Okay, so what is that? What is that? So first part is what? Head part, okay? Head section. First is what? Head section now, guys. Head section, and another one is what? Body now, right? Another one is what? Body now. Okay, so now good, guys. So here what? Just I explain what is that. This two part is by default only, right? So from here onward, learn one more part, okay? One more part that is also here in the response. Also one more part will be there. What is that? Inline, right? Initial line, okay? Initial line. Inside that I will show whenever we will do the practical, right? Whatever in the methodology version, everything I will show, because I will use what different client. I will explain Swagger, Postman, as well as what, if you people are ready, then I will explain what is that one mini project, and that mini project will interact using what is that our what Angular or React JS. Which one you want, that application I will use, okay? After then what? Swagger, and Swagger will be there. Postman. After then, yes, web server client I will use, REST client I will use, two coding part client I will use, guys, okay? So many things is there to learn, okay? So many things is there, don't worry, okay? So now good. So here what in the initial line, what is that? What kind of things will be there now? Version will be there, guys, okay? Version will be there, okay? Another one is what? Status code. Here see, here URL will be there. In the HTTP request, URL will be there, but here whenever we will get the response, in the response, what is the status code will be there, guys, okay? Status code will be there, right? Status code, and what is that? Message will be there. These things will be there in what? These things will be there in the what? In our what? Our initial line, right? Our what? Initial lines, right? In the initial line. Okay, so here what? Here the same things. What? Here what? Header parameter. Whatever header parameter we send it, that header parameter will be there. That header metadata will be there, guys, okay? Header param, and here what? Here in the body, right? Our those data, right? Data will be there. That data is what? That data plus what is that? One more things will be the extra. One more things will be there here, guys, okay? So what? HTML data, and what? XML data, and what? JSON data, right? JSON data plus what? One more thing, status code will be there, guys, okay? Status code will be there. Status code will be there. Okay, good. Status. Okay, so we know that how many status code? Anyone know that? Anyone can tell the status code, guys? Come on, anyone? Please suggest me, anyone. I will write it.
200. Okay.
200.
Okay. So means what?
200 create.
Success information.
Yes. Okay, guys.
204.
So 100, right? 100 to what? 100.
Information.
So means what? 1 to 1, right? That is what? Information will be there, right?
Information.
Yeah, information. Whatever information related to our what? Our what? Controller, right? Those information means what? Then what we will get now? 100 means what? 1xx related what? Messages we will go get what? In the status code, guys, okay? Another one is what? 200. If we are getting what? 200.
Success code.
Yes, means what our API is what executing without any error, without any error. We are getting the response, right? We are getting the response means what our API is running what successfully, right? Successfully. Now go guys. Okay, 300, right? So anyone know that redirection in what?
Redirection.
Redirection in what?
Redirect.
Servlet, anyone know that servlet in the redirection means what we are doing
Yes.
using redirection?
No. Redirect.
Page
Redirection means
redirect to
what?
another
Redirected to another servlet.
other
One servlet.
Yeah, so to communicating one servlet component to another servlet component, right? So
Another
just think about that, what this is the
Yes.
one servlet and this is the another servlet, right? So means what, to dispatching this servlet request. Okay, so to dispatching this servlet request to whom? Another servlet request. So for that, what we are using now? Redirection concept we are using in the servlet. Nah, come on guys.
Yes. Redirection.
Yes.
So okay, so that message if we want to represent, right? So for that what a redirection 300, right? 300 plus what is that number we are using, right? Number we are using, only we will use what is that 200 and 300 and other I will tell, later I will tell. Okay, redirect. Redirect, right? Redirect, we will use what is that? Redirect, right? After then what, we know that if any means what, if any we are doing the mistake in the client side, right? Client side,
$400.
everyone familiar with what?
Client side.
Everyone familiar with what? 400, right? 400 messages, right? Message, come on. So for that client side error, if we are getting what?
Client side exception.
Client side error, right? Error, if we are getting what? Client side error,
Yes.
then what is that? This number will come, right? 400, right? 400 or 4x,
Yes.
all those number, right? By seeing this number, what we can say now? We are doing any mistake on what? Browser side. Come on, everyone.
Yes, the
Yes.
client side.
Yeah, whenever we are getting what? 500, right?
Server side.
So we know that we are writing
Server.
any, we did any mistake in our what writing our what application. So what messages we are getting? 500 now. Come on.
Server side error.
Yeah,
Server
So-
side.
Server side.
server side error now, guys. Okay, so we are getting the server side error now. Okay, so good. So now till now the things is clear, guys. Everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
So in the response body, right? In the response body, okay, based on that our API, how our API is executing, right? These messages also will be there, guys. Okay, this messages means what? This code also will be there inside that what? Inside that what? Body part. Inside that body part what? In the response body part. In the response body part what? These messages also will be there, guys. Okay, in the body part what? These messages also will be there. Okay, so okay, good. So let's move on. Okay, let's move on to what? Our next level discussion now, guys. Okay, so
Okay.
so till now the clear things is clear, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay,
Now it's everything is clear.
okay, so here see this. Okay, but one more things, but here what I said that HTTP request having two part, right? Request having two part, but whenever we are one more things is there, guys. Okay, so see this. Okay, here whenever we will send the data, right? Whenever we will send the data using what? Using what? Get methodology. Using what? Get methodology, guys. Okay, whenever we will use, just think about that. Here we are going to use what? Get methodology. Then the body part will be not there. Then
Body part is not there.
in the get methodology, I will show the practical also, guys. Okay, if we are using get methodology, right? If we are using what? Get methodology, then what? Our what? Inside that get methodology body section is not there, guys. Okay, body section is not there. So we can't send what? We cannot send the data, right? In the body, right? In using what? Get type. Using get type, we can't send data, right?